Hi there! How to make gradient text color in Canva. First of all, you need to find a gradient. So go over to Elements on the left hand side, click that, and in search you can type in gradient, or I've already done it here as you can see. Click gradient. Then under the graphics, click see all. Go down and find the gradient you want. I'm going to choose this one for now. Expand that to fit the screen, and you can see here that you can change the color of the gradient if you want to, but I'm going to leave it like this for now. You then need some text, so click on text on the left hand side, add a heading. Decide what text you want to have. Let's write amazing. Make it a bit bigger. And then we want to color this writing white. Click up here, click on white. Now the next thing we need to do is click on the image again, come up to here where you can change the transparency, click that, take it down to about 35, and the next thing we want to do is to save this as an image. So we click up here on share, download, make sure it's saving as a PNG, click the download button. We can now actually delete this and upload our amazing image. So we click upload at the left, upload files, find amazing, and then we can click on that and then expand this one to fit the whole canvas. Now on a Windows machine you press the Alt key, on a Mac you press Option, hold that button down, and then you can crop this amazing background here to make it a bit smaller. But the next thing you want to do is to remove the background. So click on the image again, click Edit Image. Now under Effects you have the Remove Background button. This is a Canva Pro feature, but if you don't have Canva Pro you can go to remove.bg, a website, and you'll be able to remove the background there. Once we've removed the background you can see that we now have the gradient writing, but we can make it a bit brighter than what it is right now. So click on Adjust up here, take the brightness down a little bit and put the contrast up. Go down a bit. You might want to add some vibrance to the image as well, add a little bit more color. Now what we can do is to add in a background image. So we can go over to Elements again, click on Photos. I'm going to search for moon, and we can use an image like this one. Right click on that image and set it as the background, and then we can just move our text to the place where we want it to be. And there we have our final image with gradient text color. Okay, well I hope that's been helpful to you. Put a comment down below if there's anything else you'd like to see relative to this topic on Canva. If you'd like to know another little trick with text on Canva, then you can click the video that's on the screen right now.